Quebec Provincial Police has launched a manhunt to intercept 44-year-old Martin Carpentier in connection with the two young girls, 11-year-old Nora and 6-year-old Romy, who were found dead on 11 July in a wooded area in Saint Apollonia, 39 kilometers south of Quebec City. Hello and welcome. My name is Shailesh Kumar and you're watching Trace Me. Please hit subscribe button to be part of my global network for missing and most wanted. Let's get it started. Martin Carpentier is a suspect in the abduction of two girls. He was last seen wearing a grey t-shirt and jeans, and he may be wearing glasses. He measures around 5 feet 10 inches tall and weighs 130 pounds. The police has asked locals not to intercept Martin directly if they see him, as he could be dangerous, but to call 911 as the police search continues in the area where bodies of the two girls have been found. Martin Carpentier is the father of two girls. An Amber Alert has been issued for Romy, 6 years, and Nora, 11, in Levis, south of Quebec City on Thursday. It was lifted on Saturday when the bodies were found. The girls had gone missing along with their father Martin, who is 44 years. After a crash on Highway 20, Quebec Police has deployed necessary resources for the manhunt, including helicopters, ATV patrollers, and dog handlers. Helicopter from the Canadian military came to support the area's search. Sergeant Anne Matthew reportedly said, "The important thing currently is mobilizing the population is to be vigilant because we are actively looking for Martin Carpentier, who could be in the Saint Agapit, Saint Apollonia sector. Anyone who sees this individual is asked to contact 911 immediately." The Quebec Provincial Police has posted the wanted notice on its website. The notice reads, "The Sûreté du Québec is asking the population's help to find Martin Carpentier, 44, from Levis, wanted in connection with the discovery of the two inanimate young girls found earlier in the Saint Apollonia sector." Remember that the suspect was allegedly involved in a collision on July 8th on Highway 20 east at kilometer 288 at Saint Apollonia. Moments before the collision, he was with the young girls. The three were wanted as part of an Amber Alert launched Thursday afternoon, which ended today. Martin Carpentier is still actively sought by the police. The description of the suspect is 5 feet 10 inches height, weight 59 kg, hair is sparse brown, eyes brown, special, he could wear glasses. The last time he was seen, he was wearing a grey short sleeve sweater. Anyone who sees Martin Carpentier is asked not to attempt to intervene and to communicate with 911. In addition, any information that may allow him to be traced can be communicated confidentially to the Central Criminal Intelligence Service of the Sûreté du Québec. Investigators have reason to believe that the girls were abducted by their father after interviewing witnesses and the children's mother. Carpentier and the girls were last seen at around 8:30 p.m. Wednesday in a convenience store in the Saint Nicolas neighborhood of Levis, Quebec, where the girls are from. Police said that at 9:30 p.m. a 2008 Volkswagen Passat with the license plate P75PXB was involved in a crash on Highway 20 east in nearby Saint Apollonia. When emergency service arrived, the vehicle was unoccupied. When police got to the crash, no one was inside the car. After interviewing witnesses, police realized the girls were missing and issued the Amber Alert. Investigators are now trying to determine what happened in the hour between when the girls were seen at the convenience store and the crash. Investigators are exploring multiple theories, including one that the girls were not in the car at the time of the crash. Martin Carpentier's girlfriend made a public plea on social media to her boyfriend, asking him to give his family a sign of life. In a video released by Quebec Provincial Police, Kathy Gingras says in tears, "Martin, we are worried. We haven't heard from you since the accident. We are wondering if you are okay. The girls, Romy, Nora, give us some news, give us a sign, call your parents, anything." She said, "What is important is that you are okay. We don't care about anything else. We just want to know you are okay." There was a mass outpouring of grief Saturday night after the two girls' bodies were discovered. Quebec Premier François Legault posted on Twitter calling the girls' death a national tragedy. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau tweeted about the young girls late Saturday, writing that the Canadians are keeping the family in their thoughts. Police is trying to determine if the different objects found in the wood belong to the girls and their father Martin. Police is also waiting for the forensic investigation results and the autopsy report. Thank you for watching this episode of Trace Me. If you find the video interesting, hit the like button, do share and subscribe. Trace Me. It's our endeavor to find Martin Carpentier, the most wanted suspect. Mr. Martin Carpentier, if you're watching this, present yourself before the Quebec Provincial Police, else we'll trace you anyway. Goodbye.